How to use a microwave oven. Welcome to our instructional video on how to effectively use a microwave oven. Whether you are a new user or looking to enhance your microwave skills, this guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly. First, ensure your microwave is plugged into a power source and placed on a flat, stable surface. Avoid overcrowding the area around the microwave to allow proper ventilation. Next, open the microwave door and place your food or beverage on a microwave-safe dish. It is crucial to use only microwave-safe containers to prevent any damage to the appliance or potential hazards. Adjust the cooking time and power level according to the specific requirements of your food item. Most microwaves have preset options for common foods, but you can also manually input the time and power settings. Once you have set the desired parameters, close the microwave door securely and start the cooking process. Stay near the microwave during operation and be attentive to any unusual sounds or smells. When the cooking cycle is complete, carefully remove the dish using oven mitts or a towel, as it may be hot. Allow the food to cool before enjoying your delicious meal or snack. Remember to clean the microwave regularly to maintain its efficiency and hygiene. Wipe down the interior with a damp cloth and mild detergent, and remove any food spills promptly. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to use a microwave oven. We hope this information has been helpful in improving your cooking experience. Happy microwaving!